Welcome to McDonald's. You see, I'm here. Today is the drop of the Boo Bucket. It's supposed to be this huge thing. In all the years I've been doing it, I have never gotten one. But you know what? I've already gotten the Dunkin' one. I've already gotten the Burger King one. So today, it's time to get the official McDonald's Boo Bucket. So join me on today's adventure. Okay, do you have the Boo Bucket Happy Meal?
Sorry, I can barely hear you.
I know, I can't talk.
Want to pull to the first window?
Okay, thank you. I'm actually sitting in the back seat of the car for this video, at least for now. I'm going to move it to the front. My cousin is driving, but I have to order from the window because they can't hear me. Again, voice issues, but we're dealing with it. Welcome to the guest car. I'm in the passenger seat today, and I'm going to give you a review of what I just got. So, let me take my glasses off. I actually have two pairs of glasses on. We're gonna just keep these on. The reason why you all are here is because of the new Boo Bucket Happy Meal. I have never gotten one. I've never seen one in person, so let's see what it's about. I will tell you, based on what I'm holding, I still like the Dunkin' Donuts better because it's bigger, but this is really cute. I got the cat. It's like a sad cat. Wait, what's this part? This one's a mean cat, and then we've got the worried cat, then the spooky sort of happy cat, and then so those all around the back. And you can hold it so your kids can put their Halloween candy in it. I could tell you it's not going to hold a whole lot, but you know, you can always use it and dump it into something else. Also, again, great for different things that your kids have: blocks, Hot Wheels cars, any little knickknacks that your kids like to collect or carry, a rock collection, a shell collection. So, like I said, my granddaughter likes to take things out of things and put things back into things, so this is going to be perfect. Then inside of here is where your Happy Meal is. So it comes with a bunch of stickers. Those are really cute. A little seek and find game on the back, and the stickers have the Boo Bucket and pumpkin and some ghosts, so that's really cute. So that'll go with her as well. She hasn't gotten into stickers yet, but every kid loves stickers. My nephew loves stickers, so he may actually benefit from this as well. Then inside is your Happy Meal, which is, I guess they give me fries and nuggets and apple slices, and I didn't know it comes with apple slices. That's nice, so you can be a little bit healthy with your kids. And that's it for the Boo Bucket. That's all short and sweet. So they do have a bunch of these different buckets, but I also have a special surprise for you guys. Do you remember when I did the video of McDonaldland? Well, they had them on the app of the McDonald'sland app, at least in my section here in Tampa, where you can order one. So I ordered one. The guy behind the counter didn't understand what I meant, so the manager said yes, they do have some. He's not allowed to open these, so he doesn't know which one I'll get, but you know, there's a 1 in 5 chance that I'll get the one I don't already have. So I thought, you know what, I loved this so much before, so let's open another one and see what we get. So here we go. Now, if you don't remember, this is what was the adult Happy Meal, and I don't think it's a promotion anymore. I think it ran out. But if you go to your local McDonald's or you go in your app, you may actually still be able to get one. If you buy it, it's only $2, which I think is worth it. So let's see which one we get. All right, here we go. It comes nice and wrapped like last time, and it's got this nice plastic tin. Oh, it's the Hamburglar. This is a good one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is great. All right, let's open it up. All right, so this one has "Thank you for traveling to McDonaldland," like the other one had. And it's got a code on the back, which is, I think, for like a travel site, which I probably won't use. We have a hamburger sticker. That's very cute. The McDonald'sland passport with the Hamburglar. It says what his name is, and he was issued in 1971. Where were you in 1971? I'm not going to tell you where I was, but I was very little. And I was not living in Florida. I was living in New Jersey. Keep Up, Hamburglar and I, mid-heist. That's cute. The kids of today don't know who Hamburglar is, though. We've got his, we've got his mugshot. That's really cute. Then we have, I know that says Robble. Not sure why it says Robble, but unless I'm reading it wrong, but there's that sticker. And then there's 2 postcards again. We got the hamburger patch. That's really cute. And then in every one, you're gonna get the same McDonaldland major card, which is super cute. So that's it. So today, that is what I got. I got this and this. So I got these 2 things. I really like the bucket and it's really, really cute. So if you're going to get one, you have to hurry because I think they stopped selling them on October 31st. And, you know, obviously that's next week. So you want to get to your McDonald's when you can to get your poo bucket. Again, I got the cat, which I think is adorable. And they also still are selling these. If you didn't get all and you're trying to collect them, you have a chance of getting one. And so now I have 2, and I really like both of the ones that I got. And that's it for today. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up. If you want to support my channel, the best thing you can do is watch a lot of videos. It'll help get my watch time up, and that will help. Also, you could buy me a coffee. The link is below. That helps me continue to do these videos and go to restaurants and things like that. And that's it. So I will see you on the next adventure. Until next time.